In this video, I'm going to show you how to make video presentation in Canva. First, go to the Canva homepage and search for a presentation. Just pick a template that fits your topic or start with a blank one to create your own design. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this template. Next, add your text, images, and icons to each slide. To add a text, you can go to the Text tab on the left side of your screen and click Add a Text box. After that, you can edit the text to whatever you want and go to the top toolbar to change the font, size, color, and add effects or animation. To add an image, you can upload your own photo in the Uploads tab or choose a photo from Canva in the Elements tab. To make it look like a video, you can select an element for the whole page and click Animate in the top toolbar. You can choose a style like rise or pan to give your slide some movement. After that, go between the pages and choose Add Transition. You can choose any transition that you want from these options. You can go between each pages to add the transition, or you can also click Apply between all pages here. At the top of the editor, you can click this clock icon to adjust how long each slide stays on screen. Make sure there is enough time for people to read your content. Then if you want to add an audio, you can do it by uploading your own audio in the Uploads tab, or you can go to the Elements tab, go to the Audio category, and choose the audio that you want from all of these options. Once everything looks good, you can click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and choose MP4 video. And lastly, click this purple download button. So that's how to make video presentation in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.